how are you? Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So guys, today I'm creating a video for those who are game lovers. Like I know that many people are game lovers and they just play game like a pro in their mobiles, and they know each and minor and major things of the games. They simply love the tricks, what kind of tricks has been used for the games. So games lovers, I know that they really like playing the games. So this is the good news for all the game lovers, because today I'm going to share a website with you guys. With the help of that, you can play varieties of games. Okay, and the good news is that while playing the games you can earn money as well. Yeah, you heard that right. While playing the game you can earn money as well, so that's really good news for you guys. So I will take you step by step how these things happens. Okay, so first do one thing, just go to google.com and type play test cloud. Okay, as soon as you type play test cloud, you will see a website playtestcloud.com. Okay, it's a remote play test for mobile games. Just click on that, you will land to this page. Okay, as soon as this website is open, then just click on become a tester. As soon as you click on become a tester, okay, you have to sign up this form. Okay, and you have to sign up this form, and you have to uh, enter the which device you are using. Like for example, you are using iOS or Android or others. Okay, for example, if you are using iOS, so there are so many options are there. Like if I type Samsung just for example. Okay, so you have to just select the which Samsung mobile you're using. Okay, which Samsung Android mobile you're using. This is just for example. There are so many options available in the Android. You can just go and check out. Okay, you have to select the which device you're using. Okay, then which country you are from. Okay, then just your date of birth and your gender. That's it. Okay, but before moving ahead, there are few things that need to be taken care of. I will take you step by step which are the things that need to be taken care of. Okay, so here are some common questions, some FAQs, like frequently asked question, which we have to go. Okay, so the first thing is like, how do I become a player tester? Okay, it's just you have to just fill up the application form and they will tell you whether you have been selected or not. Okay, but the only thing is like, guys, you have to be from USA, UK, or Canada. That's the only thing they have currently. They are just allow peoples from USA, UK, and Canada. Okay, just take care of that. But if you are any from this country, you will definitely going to get into it, and they are soon planning to explore for more countries. So I would recommend that wherever you are from, on whichever country you are from, you just go and register. Never know when they can start the countries, and you will get a chance to earn money while playing the games. Okay, now what is playtest cloud? Okay, so it is for the developers. Like for example, if any company is developing a game, okay, and they wanted to know how the games are actually working, whether the people will going to love the game, whether they have some bugs in the game, whether they should change the strategy of the game or anything. Like they're just taking the feedback from the gamers like you guys, and so that you can play the games and you can tell them about whether the game is good or not, or what changes need to be made on the game. So that's how this website works. Okay, so now what device can I play test on? Like as I already told you, there are iOS, Android, and you can see here in the Android you can use Android phone, tablet, Android 5 lollipop or better. Okay, and then iOS like iOS 12 or 13 supported device. Okay, you can check out the list here and you can apply accordingly. Okay, now, is play testing a job? No, not at all. You can you can do the testing, you can play the game whenever you have a free time. Okay, and generally you will earn like $9. They will reward you $9 USD for 15 minutes of testing, playing test. Okay, so now as I already told you that they will pay you like 9 USD for 15 minutes, but you can think of that how much money you can earn, right? So actually, what they do is they simply send you a list of simply send you an email for a test. Okay, it's not like you can go and play any game like that. They will send you an invitation. You can just accept the invitation and you can start with the thing. Okay, and they also make payment like in GBP. Okay, it's a pound currency. Okay, and now guys, one more thing, they have the software that record what you are doing. Okay, so exactly what they record, like what exactly they record, they have a software, they record only the game that you are playing. Okay, but you have to keep in mind that while playing, if you get a call, or if the internet get disconnected, or you just switch your mobile to another any other screen, so the recording will get suspended and you will not going to earn any money. So just keep in mind that while playing you just play the games. Okay, okay, so why do I have to talk a lot? Okay, so the thing is, while you're playing the games, you have to be talkative. You have to continue to speak how you are feeling about the game, how the screens are, whether you are facing any problem by for playing game. Like if you are facing any problem or if you are frustrating while playing game, what frustration you are exactly happening. You have to just feel your expressions, everything, and you have to be very clear and loud. Okay, then can I become play tester if I am not from USA, UK, or Canada? Like I already told you, that they also mentioned that feel free to join. Okay, and they will let you know when they expand to other countries. So guys, I again recommend you to just go and register. Never know when can they expand, and you will get a chance to earn the money while playing the games. Okay, now this is very important. Can I tell people about the game I test? So guys, no, you cannot tell about the game to other people because you have to sign a non-disclosure agreement. Means you cannot disclose this game to any other person because these game are not launched in the market, they are new to the market. So this idea cannot be get easily told to anyone. Okay, so never tell what game you are playing, what is the game concept and anything. So this is not legal. Okay, so again, you have to make a non-disclosure agreement before playing any game. Okay, so keep in that mind. Okay, how many payment methods they have? They have only one payment method, that is PayPal. Okay, PayPal is easy for them and you can get PayPal. Okay, so then what? Now they have a lot of questions, but more important questions I will let you know, the that will really mind those questions. Like these questions will really help you. So can I increase my chances of getting playtest? Okay, what I suggest is you just do best of your job. You give your genuine and very useful information to them, so that they will think, okay, they are getting some useful information and they will rank you. Okay, as much as you get ranked, you can get more chances to get chances of playing games. Okay, okay. When will I get paid? Okay, what they are saying is they will send you payment as soon as possible. Like they will not wait you more than few days. Okay, and there is no minimum amount. Okay, so there is no minimum amount or there is no threshold to so that they will hold money. They will release your payment, whatever amount is there, they will release your payment. But still, if you have any problem, you can just contact them in help at playtestcloud.com. Okay guys, so I think these are the most important things that you have to know about this website. Okay, and I hope guys you like this video, and if you really like this video, just like this video, share with your friends and family, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your love, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks guys, bye bye.